Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making Ddakij with cardstock paper. As you can see, it's pretty thick. It's kind of hard to fold, but it makes for a great Ddakij. Alright, as you can see, what we did is we fold it straight down the middle, as such.
And remember guys, hi guys, it's me Gabriel, sorry for not saying hi. So remember guys, you don't have to cut the paper, but this is a rectangle. So begin the next part.
So the next part we're gonna do is you wanna make a cross, line them up like that. Alright, and then what we can do is hold it right there so you can see better. Alright, and we're gonna fold it in triangles. Alright, so you gotta be really careful so we line them up correctly, and then you fold it as such.
And remember, if you move the Ddakij and you mess over, then you have to try again.
But to make it easier, what we want to do is, once you get the first side folded, you flip it over and fold it like that. Right? Then you can still have an opportunity to align it, and then you can start folding the rest. Right? So then we go to the next side, such. Alright,
And
fold it over.
cardstock's really hard.
Yeah, yes. But the good thing about cardstock is that it makes for a good Ddakij.
And it actually flips. So that's really good because weak paper also helps because it's flexible and it's easier to make them, but it can't flip because it's weak paper. Cardstock, when you make the Ddakij, is really hard, but when you make it with cardstock, it becomes harder to make, and then when you flip it, it becomes easier because you can flip it. And make sure you have two papers.
Right. So once you get it all folded like that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift up this edge and we're gonna tuck it inside. As such, then we make sure that we fold it nice and neat. There you go, guys.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.